It is the first ever Baltic Film Festival featuring the work of filmmakers from Lithuania, Estonia, and Latvia, a country that this year is celebrating its 100th anniversary.
About 2 years ago, I started to think about how Latvia would celebrate its centennial in New York, and I thought, what's a good way to showcase to New Yorkers something about Latvia? So I thought, well, let's show them some films about Latvia. But then after a while, I thought, well, maybe who's going to come and watch just Latvian films? Why don't we go together with our Lithuanian and Estonian colleagues and do a Baltic Film Festival?
The film covers a number of topics, with many that address the coming of age of a nation with a history that reaches as far back as 7000 BC. In this film entitled Baltic Tribes, director Ciltis, who also appeared on BronxNet's Open, uncovers the lives of pagan tribes and the push by outside forces to convert them to Christianity.
I'm very curious, I'm a little bit scared how the film will be received. Will the audience understand it, or will the audience like it?
In Christine Zell's Maria's Journey, she looks at the life of Maria Grinberga's story. At the end of the German occupation, the Nazis took off with 700 boxes of Latvian art, and she brought them back. The focus on Baltic history comes at a time when national pride is high, as all three nations enjoy broader participation as part of the European Union. Now the arts community is laying hold of this opportunity to express themselves. An author on Scandinavian culture, Donald Dewey is the program director.
A lot of people do not remember that Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania were not like the satellite countries in Eastern Europe, like Hungary and Poland. They were considered by the Soviet Union their republics. And so they just, vacuumed them up. And they have not forgotten that. And that's why there is a lot of, I would say, I don't think we're to the point of tension, but we're certainly with a lot of uneasiness about what's going on.
Cultural Affairs Coordinator for the Estonian Consulate, Anika Tiana, was also involved.
It's been a year-long work together with all the Baltic states, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and working together with the Scandinavian House. And if you actually see it happening, and the interest in the films from the area, it's quite a wonderful feeling.
It's great to be here, and I hope people will enjoy Estonian films, also Latvian and Lithuanian films, because it's really a great moment for us.
18 filmmakers in all are being featured in this festival, and it's their hope that they can shed some light on their culture. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.